Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add items to your favorite on the Efootwear application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the shop icon down below, which is the second option. Select a category and a subcategory as well. Browse among the results. Click on the relevant one that you would like to add to your favorites. And all you have to do is clicking on this heart icon down below in the right side of the screen. Now if you tap on this X icon in the upper left corner of the screen, you're going to be able to see this favorites icon down below, which is the third option, so click on it. And as you can see, there is one item added to it. It is the slippers or the slides that you have just added this section. If you want to remove it from your favorites, swipe to the left side of the screen till this remove icon pops up to you and tap on it. Now, as you can see, your list of favorites is empty now. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.